Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Kino say I like you come. That are no police. Cause him have when him there. Him have one 4 way. I want a Jeep come for real. The pants way.
Take things, man.
Pull to the side.
Wow. Blessings, people. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there and NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So right about now, people, as I can look over this, alright? Jamaican fake police them. Fake police take things a joke. A join one join the force our people. Or some comedy skit in the pan. Take things too much joke. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Why? Them youth ya? I don't know. But viewers and subscribers, there. Zine. And right now, showing that little piece of clip there with them youth, they want to do them, you know, them fake stuff on. I don't know them they on. But what we really want to talk about now, people, honestly, on a real level, is something pertaining to me. And I decide to talk about this because it reached to a point where this thing I know got me upset. Bad. No. Zine, because there's things can happen to people and things cannot go on. But there's a time and there when it gotta be a limit. And like when they say one day the bucket go well, the bottom I go chop out. Well now, from recent times, people, to be honest with you, me as a youth, me help a lot of people. Zine, a lot. No joke about it. So there is a few people who me notice, and I don't know if it's the same person that me I speak out now, because it reached to a point where this individual being disrespectful to me, and me I go speak out, you know, because I know them stay and I know them tan. Zine? Alright. We're persons from UK, people. Because I tell like UK them there. Alright, UK, the one person they not create different problem. If I say go then, because me get no joke with these people. And then they reach out to me, and then that's a NEWLINK, such and such now go on. UK, me know it's a lockdown there, UK, NEWLINK, me now no work, NEWLINK this and NEWLINK that. I mean, a big thing. Honestly, they no big nothing big. They no big no big money people. And that's a bigger one. £10, one £15. You understand? Yes, you know when I calculate that in a US, and a whole heap of money people. Honestly, and people they use. That's why I know say UK then they can boom. You have to see a calculation and boom. And at times being people, boom, we give them. I understand? Cause you don't know. But it reached to a point now where these same person, because then that's a NEWLINK. You know, say, me not have food, whatever. They are the truthful people. You understand how me come, so boom, give them, because then say food. Because I do things in my heart, the Almighty has seen. Then they say, NEWLINK, you know, say, such and such, I go on and I want to go up and look hustling and thing, and me not nothing to pay the cab, and I say, alright, boom. You understand, people? Then, me see it get like, more and more now, and I see where different profiles are do the same thing. The same, UK, the whole thing. So me have to wonder if I the same person now, they in the UK, right? Creating these different cards, these person do this thing on IG, you know, people. IG. And you see, sometimes I know you have good art people, Zine, and that then we try things and use their head pan you and try to scam you. No joke about it, Zine. So, person link up back now and say, NEWLINK, me a beg you thing. Different profile again. So me look out and me say, honestly, me not have it. No, I can't send it. Me not have it. Boom. Zine. Because you know, I start thinking about people. I look into it and say, they are UK. They are UK. If they are UK, even say you not work, lockdown and go on and so. Zine? But you tell me say you're not in the UK, you not no family in the UK, you not no friend in the UK, even if you did it illegal. Zine? So, you must have to find a solution. And I say, you get an opportunity, you get a chance to go. We are England. Over 9 hours flight or 10 hours flight go over this, alright? So we can go up on a boat and go across and go over this, you know. You fly off a flight go over UK. And people they are Jamaica now, who may know I go through so much. Zine, when me tell I go through a lot of pressure, because you give somebody one we want 5 grand at Jamaica, you can't buy nothing. I thought Jamaican money, people. Because you see when golden comes up, boom, and put the little basket and show us so this is 10,000 worth of goods and it even can go. It even come like it, you know, nothing in the basket, people, basically. Right? And me have to say now, me can't come some woman and be this fool. Yeah, because me look at myself as a fool, as an idiot. If you keep on, because basically I trick them people, I trick me, you know. Yeah, I know the thing is people why me get upset now. The person that got message me back now and say, boom, can I take about 2 days, 3 days after they message me back now? Because they say me not give them nothing, right? And them I go say, yo, NEWLINK, me always hear people over here, some girl on live always a big you up and I talk good about you and I talk about you are a real humanitarian persons. You understand? But now, me lose off of you because me can't believe say somebody asks if you look assistant, I look help and you can't give them. Honestly, people, that get me real upset. Zin? Yeah, no joke about it. That get me real upset. Because when me puzzle back and me look back into everything, people, I trick me that get all along. Zin? And that's why I decide say, you know what, me I can speak out about this thing now. Me I can talk about this thing now because it reached to a point now where these person now feel like they can continue take people for idiot or take people for fool. Zin? But you know whatever me do in a life, people, me do it from my heart and me do it with the Almighty. When they ask for anything, them tell me so them want assistant with this, then swear to God say this and that, and that's why I give them people. Although me know them they are UK. You understand? Because UK then they know. You know what I mean? UK. And me not say people like Jamaica bother me so. See? And me no response if they want to hear or vex, but it's truth and it's reality, people. There's a time and a place, and I tell you, bucket a go well every day, one day the bottom I go drop out. See? Someone telling these people, I tell anybody, who they are UK, anybody who comes up on IG again, and message me about it, give them one $10 pound, one $5 could have 1 cent pound. Listen me, I ain't sending nothing more to nobody who they me through IG for nothing like that. And believe me today, not this NEWLINK. Believe me, see, no more. So if you need that trick, if you need that scam, if you need that using a head, if you need that playing the games, well, congratulations. You win the game already, you do enough already. But it finish. It not going to happen no more. See? And if other persons who did ask people, honestly, because I tell you different profiles, and me, you did good, you did real, you did really need help, and NEWLINK comes a boom and give you a thing, be grateful. And I appreciate the fact that I do assist you and whatever needs you did have. But other person that come into the thing and are rolling at the thing, so I don't know if it's a scheme or it's a plan. And when they come, when I check out this thing in people, just imagine if somebody comes a boom and asks, like say, they ask like 100 person for 10 pounds. See? You know how much money that they get and 100 person send them. Because they can grow that message everybody and tell them the same thing. How much people when they done, they reach out for you quick. See? So this is for other people out there too, be wise too, see, and be smart. A lot of thief, a lot of scammer, nowadays I find different ways and different means and methods how to trick and how to scam people. See, and when they know you as a person who depends on social media, you know what I mean? Yeah, then we do anything. You get me? So entertainers out there, other vloggers out there, and just like regular people, you understand? You all be careful. That's all I can say to your people. So back up there, so fake police, be careful when I do. Dress up and I go on like when a police in the street, careful. Because you might stop the wrong man out there. You know them something there. Remember me telling you, you might stop the wrong one. People, big up on yourself, more love, more respect. And if you don't subscribe already, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell. So as I drop a video, you'll get them. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production. Peace, love, respect, and be grateful. Big up every time. I'm out.